Hi, John Hay families. This is Miss Clement. We learned recently that the family app for Seesaw is pretty good. It gives you a sense of work completed for your children and some feedback that they got on that work. But there are some things you don't get to see that your children get to see regularly. So we want you to take a minute and look over your child's shoulder, as much as they'll love that, to learn a little bit about what they see on Seesaw each day. The first one is activities. So it's the light bulb with a number in it. That number changes as they complete activities. So right now, I'm using my daughter Elise's class to see that she has 9 activities. So I ask her to go through, well, I try to ask her to go through each afternoon to see if there's any required activities she hasn't added her response to. The second one is the inbox. So the inbox has 2 parts, class announcements and school announcements. Right now this is highlighted as school announcements because each Monday I post in the school announcements for all students, families, and staff to see the Monday's weekly roar, and then on Fridays we also post the Friday assembly. So school announcements in your child's inbox is a good place to check each week for announcements. And you can have it set up where if you have the family app, you get these announcements emailed to you as well. The last one is class announcements. Teachers post class announcements like, for example, here's my daughter's schedule. And if you click on View Original, you can click on each of these live links as they're occurring, and it helps to have your child stay more organized. There's lots of other information that can appear in class announcements as well as in the journal. If you have any other questions, please reach out to your teacher and Miss Clement. Me, you can email amclement@seattleschools.org, and let's learn more about what we do and don't know together to best help these students and to keep you informed. Thanks.